Warm greetings to you. My name is Dr. Joseph Munywa. Today we are focusing on the prescriptive analysis. Essentially, the prescriptive analysis technique of the data analysis combines the understanding or insight which is gained from several data analysis techniques, namely the text analysis technique, the statistical analysis technique, the diagnostic analysis technique, and the predictive analysis technique. At the end of the day, the concerned researcher attains a comprehensive insight of what is being studied with the aim of determining which actions or decisions should be taken in the present problem in order to solve it. Therefore, in the prescriptive analysis, the researcher uses the available data to find out the best course of action in a given scenario. In this case, in the prescriptive analysis, the researcher seeks to unearth the best solution in the midst of a variety of choices. To take an example, in the predictive analysis, the researcher seeks to predict what is most likely to happen in the future, whereas in the prescriptive analysis, the researcher strives to recommend certain actions that can be taken in order to affect those outcomes. Simply put, the attained comprehensive insight enables the researcher to easily establish the said actions or decisions which can be taken in order to affect the said outcomes. All in all, in the prescriptive analysis, the researcher takes predictive data to the next level. In this case, since the predictive analysis gives rise to an idea of what will likely happen in the future, the researcher should ask the following question: what should you do? By means of the prescriptive analysis, the researcher seeks to answer the said question. To that end, the researcher suggests various courses of action and outlines what the potential implications would be for each course of action. Overall, in the predictive analysis and prescriptive analysis, the researchers use historical data to forecast what will happen in the future and what actions you can take to affect those outcomes respectively. For instance, through the predictive analysis, the researcher may unearth that the coronavirus disease is rapidly spreading in a particular locality, whereas through the prescriptive analysis, the said researcher may suggest that there is a need to increase the number of medical doctors in the said locality in order to adequately handle the influx of patients with COVID-19. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.